Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing mini course generator with AI assistant. A marketplace deal that has more than 16 positive reviews on AppSumo, and I stacked 2 codes, and it will help me so much with lead generation. I was trying to find something like that and I didn't up to now, but the tool is kind of perfect to get new leads using mini course, and it's really easy and straightforward to create course. I'm gonna show you how it works, and I think you're gonna like it so much. The deal is pretty easy to understand. It's $79 and you get their lifetime access to their mini course generator plan, and you're gonna have everything on the mini course generator. You can remove branding, you can use a custom domain, and also you can use their image directory library, their GIF library, all the features of the mini course generator you're gonna get with one code. But if you buy only one code, you're gonna get 25 mini cores and 5 gigabytes storage for video uploads, and 3 AI powered mini course generation per month. If you buy more codes, at least 2, you get unlimited mini course, but 20 gigabytes storage for video uploads, and the payment wall Stripe integration, plus 10 AI powered mini course generation per month, and unlimited mini course. So you start with 25, and if you get 2 codes, 1 code, stacking 1 more, you get unlimited. So it's pretty much a 2 codes deal. If you plan to buy it, get at least 2 codes. If you buy 1 more, you're gonna get more storage and more AI powered mini course per month. But I think 2 codes are enough, because if you're creating mini course, you don't need to upload many videos, and you also can use your own storage to share your videos, embedding your video on a HTML, or using even a YouTube link. For a mini course, it's good enough. So you don't need many storage for that kind of tool. I bought 2 codes, and I recommend you to buy 2 codes as well. So let's see how mini course generator works. Here is their landing page, and you can see they have more than 700 upvotes on Product Hunt and Captera. They have pretty good reviews as well. Here is the dashboard, and I'm gonna show you what do you have here. That's the home. I'm gonna show you that I'm showing you now, and you have another tab to change your password, and a spot to add your custom domain. I already added 1 custom domain, and it's pending verification. You can add more than 1 custom domain. Okay, I don't think that they have a limit for that. Here you can see I already created a course using the AI, but I'm gonna create another one to show you how it works. I have many tabs here already. Okay, creating my course. And you create the course adding cards. So you click here and you choose one of the variations. You can choose the info card, where you're gonna add info like that. You're gonna type something and add image or video. You can also add a quiz with multiple answer questions or single answer question. Pretty simple as well. You can type your question here and your options, and then you just click on the right one. The system will recognize automatically. Another option is to add an open-ended question. So you add a question here, and the user, your student, will answer the question freely. It's an open-ended question. You can also add surveys. Okay, let's see a star survey. If the person liked the course, they're gonna use the stars to rate your course. You have many types of survey, that's one of them. And you have two kinds by now payment gateways. The Stripe, you can add it on the middle or on the beginning of your course. And for instance, people can start your course and do some steps, and then you can ask them to pay to continue to have access to your course. Or you can do it in the beginning. So here you're going to connect your Stripe account, add some info here, and you are done. And the other payment gateway is that one that I created, where you're going to ask the email to start the course. That's why it's amazing for lead generation. Just ask in the beginning of the course for their email address. They are going to add here, and you have a new lead. And so they can do the course as well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create many free course, and in the end, I'm going to get the leads, and in the end, I'm going to ask if they want a certificate. They can pay me a small value to get the certificate for that course. That's one way to monetize your content. Okay, so here is a course, and I'm going to show you how you can use the AI assistant to create a course. So I have 15 per month. I'm going to use one to show you guys how it works. I want to create a mini course about philosophy of religion. Introduction, philosophy of religion. Generates the mini course, and the AI is doing the magic. Here is my course, philosophy of religion. I'm gonna preview the course for you. So the AI created the whole course. Of course, you need to see if everything is correctly written. And you can see here, they already have a course draft. Very good and precise. So that tool is astonishing. To get unlimited with 2 codes, it's a no-brainer. I would definitely recommend you to buy a mini course generator to get more leads to your business. If you like that review, please click on the YouTube link on the description or on the comments, in the comments, to help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye bye.